Welcome to Infrastructure Finance Group's overview of our Property Improvement District program. Every state has some form of improvement district. These include tax increment finance zones, public improvement districts, tax allocation districts, and many others. But all of these districts or zones share the common purpose of providing the revenue which will fund or reimburse costs related to the construction of infrastructure and development within the district. Many of these costs expended within the boundaries of the district may be reimbursable. In some types of districts, future property owners will be subject to taxes or assessments which will be used to reimburse the developer or bondholders for the infrastructure and development costs. Once a predetermined dollar amount has been reimbursed, or a date certain has been reached, any added taxes or assessments will end, and the district will be dissolved. While real estate developers and landowners would almost always prefer to receive the financial benefits that improvement districts can provide, creating a new district can consume a great deal of both time and money. The largest obstacle is often political. Improvement districts, like other forms of incentives, are often approved based on the political connections of the developer rather than the merits of the particular project. Cost is another significant barrier. Many municipalities are charging substantial application and review fees, and the fees paid to consultants and attorneys can quickly exceed 6 figures. And this is well before there's any guarantee of a successful outcome. If you are successful in creating an improvement district, there are the added burdens that come with what is now a public project. Your work must be publicly bid, you'll be subject to oversight and audit, you'll have prevailing wage requirements to meet, be subject to stricter warranties, and be required to answer to a board of directors, politicians, and their staff. The principals of Infrastructure Finance Group have developed an innovative program that virtually eliminates all of these burdens and obstacles. The program was born from our years of experience in the field of economic development and in the creation of dozens of special districts that will reimburse hundreds of millions of dollars to our clients. Our proprietary program is actually so unique it's protected by a business method patent filing at the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. Our district is privately created with no governmental approvals required and will have the legal authority to collect assessments from future property owners which will be used to reimburse your infrastructure and development costs. Your benefits will include the reimbursement of expenses related to streets, curbs, sewer, engineering, and other development costs. You'll receive long-term residual income, increase the profit of your development, have additional collateral to pledge to lenders and investors. There are no upfront fees, and we can establish a district in as little as 2 weeks. So how does it work? The process starts with a simple analysis of your project. We'll estimate the potential benefits and added profit you'll receive by partnering with us. After you're satisfied that our program will add to your bottom line, we'll enter into an agreement to implement our program and create a district for your benefit. Once our proprietary legal documents and disclosures are recorded, we'll have created the obligation for future property owners, not the developer, to pay assessments which will reimburse much of your infrastructure and development costs. Over the life of the district, we'll track, invoice, collect, and legally enforce the assessments due from property owners. We handle all ongoing inquiries, transfer prorations, and forward the income allocated to our clients along with appropriate accounting statements. The client's duty is simply to disclose the existence of the district to those purchasing property in its development. We handle everything else. In future years, we anticipate being able to securitize the income streams of our various improvement districts. From time to time, clients may have the opportunity to sell their revenue stream for cash. They're free to accept or decline any offer, as may best suit their individual circumstance. Let's see how our program compares to the most commonly used types of improvement districts. We'll compare tax increment financing, public improvement districts, and utility districts. The time and cost of establishing these traditional districts would be a minimum of 6 months and frequently much longer, and at a cost of several $100,000 to well over $1 million, depending on the type of district and your location. Our district can be established in just 2 weeks and with no fees or upfront costs to the developer. There are no geographic limitations. We can establish a district in every state and every county in the country. No approvals are required by any governmental agency or body. There are no public hearings or public bidding of construction required. Our district cannot be dissolved by governmental action, unlike traditional districts, and there is no elected board which may have conflicting objectives to contend with. Creative applications of our program include loss mitigation. This can be a powerful tool for lenders who have foreclosed on troubled developments. The added revenue can improve your chances of obtaining financing, allows for the funding of green and other features that otherwise might be difficult to justify from an economic standpoint. Specialized commercial and hotel districts can be created, and the revenue stream is an ideal tool to use as an incentive for developers to attract builders, for landowners to attract developers, and for brokers to attract potential buyers to their listings. Let's look at a sample district. We have a 600 lot development which will sell 100 homes per year. The assessment rates will be 30 cents per $100 of value, which is equal to $825 per home per year, based on a $275,000 average home value. This results in a revenue stream to the developer which grows to approximately $250,000 annually at full build-out, and over $6.5 million over the 30-year life of the district. And this assumes zero appreciation in the value of homes. With a 3% appreciation rate, the revenue will exceed $9 million over the life of the district. Please feel free to contact us to discuss how we can work together on both your current and planned development projects. You can reach us at area code 210-227-4356. Thank you.